Hello, welcome. Skukimoy Good afternoon. Aniana Chigit, Teresa Gonzales, and I am one of the teachers at the Salt River Elementary School. And today we are going to be, well, I'm so glad that you could join us. First of all, I'm really glad that you're here to join us in this session. This is our ENLC Parent PD, which which consists of the ALA, ECEC, and Salt River Elementary. So today we're going to be learning some autumn words for a scavenger hunt. A scavenger hunt is, if you didn't know what a scavenger hunt was or is, it's a game where you collect items. You get a list of items and then you collect those items, and whoever collects the most items, they win. So for today, we're going to be doing a virtual scavenger hunt. So we're going to be learning some words to go with that scavenger hunt, okay? And so I'll be giving you directions at the end of this session. This lesson, I will be giving you directions on how to take pictures, where to send them, and all of that. But so we're going to, we're also going to have a question and answer period. So if you have any questions about this lesson, you can put it in the chat. And at the end, we'll have question and answers. And we'll do that at the very end. So again, I'm so glad that you could make it this afternoon. I know we're all busy. And, you know, this is we're doing online. So this is my little office here at home. This little area is where I teach my classes online. And that's where, you know, we do my online classes. It's a little strange, a little weird for me to be doing that, my little area, because I'm so used to being at school. And I just got, you know, I started learning how to do the online classes with my students. And it's been very enjoyable. It was really good to see my students in person. And so we're going to go ahead and begin our lesson on the autumn language. So if you could get that going, Mr. Ipa, get our PowerPoint going, and then we're going to go through these autumn words. These are the autumn words that we're going to be using for the scavenger hunt. Okay, so Salt River Schools Autumn Scavenger Hunt vocabulary. And the first vocabulary words we're going to be learning are colors. Okay, so some of the words, they have more than one color. So like this word is, well, I want you to listen to the word, and then I would like you to say the word with me, okay? Studak. Studak. And studak is a color that can mean either blue or green. Studak. And some of the letter sounds, they're different than in English. So if you were to look at this word and you didn't know what sound some of the letters make, it might sound different in English. But in autumn, it's studak. Let's say that together. Studak. Green or blue. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, the next color is sabuk. Sabuk. And that is red. And this little girl has her red traditional outfit on. So let's say that word together. Sabuk. Sabuk. And that has that little smiley face thing over the eye, and it's kind of, you barely hear it. Sabuk. But you don't really hear it, but it's there. It's like a silent. Sabuk. Let's say it one more time. Sabuk. And that is red. Okay, so let's go to the next color. The next color is stuk. Stuk. And stuk is black. And here's a picture of a black and white picture. So you can, it's mostly black. So we use this picture for shook. And okay, say it with me. Shook. Again, shook. And that is black. Oh, good job. Okay, the next one. This word swam has 3 colors. One word, 3 colors. Orange, yellow, and brown. Swam. Swam. Okay, you try it. Swam. Swam. Uh-oh. And that is, again, orange, yellow, and brown. And there's a picture that's kind of got all those multicolors in it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Savugium. Savugium is pink. Okay, so there's a pink sign there. Let's practice that one together. Savugium. Savugium. Okay, and that is pink. All right, let's go to the next one. Sibamak. Sibamak. And that is, by looking at the picture, purple. There's a purple mountain there. So let's try that one. That one's kind of a long one. Sibamak. Let's try it again. Sibamak. Uh-oh. And that is purple. Okay, so let's do another one. Or was that the last one of the purple? Okay, now we're going to go into nature. Okay, we're going to learn some nature words. Okay, let's begin with the rock. It's hodai. Hodai. Rock. Okay, let's have you try it. Here we go. Hodai. Again. Hodai. Uh-oh. And that is the rock. And then we're going to move over to the dog. Gox. Gox. And that is your dog. Let's say that one together. Gox. Gox. Uh-oh. Okay. So some of you probably know some of these words, and that'll be, you know, that's good if you know some of them. If you don't, we're learning them together. Okay, so the next one is a tree. This first one here is a tree, and it's us. Us. Okay, let's try that one. Us. Again, us. Tree. And over to your right, uhik. Uhik. And that is a bird, any kind of bird. So let's try the uhik. 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 Bird. Uh-oh. Okay, so let's go to the next set. Thwak. Thwak. Mountain. That's thwak. Okay, let's try that one. Thwak. Thwak. Oh, my voice is getting raspy. I need a little drink of water. Okay, we can go to the next one. Okay, we're moving on to household items. So these are things that you find in your house. Okay, let's do the first one. Wasa'a. Wasa'a. And wasa'a is a plate. Your plate. Okay, let's try that one. Wasa'a. Wasa'a. Okay, that is your plate. Wasa'a. Plate. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's see. Shushk, shushk. And those are your shoes. Okay, let's say that together. Shushk, shushk. Okay, and the S's have the little dot under the little dots under the S's make the sh sound. So that makes it kind of easy when you see those S's with dots underneath and you're reading an autumn word, you know that it makes the sh sound, like sh, shushk. So, okay, let's do that one more time. Shushk. Uh-oh. Okay, so those, let's see what else we got. The next one. Kamish. Kamish. There's that dot under the S. Shh. Kamish. Okay, your turn. Let's say it together. Kamish. Kamish. A shirt. Okay, next one. Iikut. Iikut. Cup. And there's a dot under the D. When there's a dot under the D, it makes the T sound, like a T. So let's try that one. Iikut. Iikut. Cup. Okay. There's a iikut. Go to the next one. Okay. This one is gaswinakut. Gaswinakut. And those are brushes, hair brushes that you brush your hair with. So let's say that one together. Gaswinakut. Gaswinakut. Uh-oh. Hairbrush. Gaswinakut. All right. So now we're going to go to our numbers. Okay. Some of you know your numbers. We're going to go up to 10 for numbers. Okay, we'll start with 1 and we'll go down the line, but we'll practice also. Number 1, humako. Humako. Okay, let's practice. Humako. Humako. Okay. 2, gok. Gok. Okay, your turn. Together. Gok. Gok. 2. We'll go to 3. Vike. Vike. Okay, your turn. Vike. We're doing it together. Vike. Number 4. Geek. Geek. Practice time. Geek. Geek. Okay. Okay, we'll do number 5. Putas. Putas. Okay, practice. Putas. Putas. Number 6. Chut. Chut. Okay, let's practice that one. Chut. Chut. And the C's also make the ch, ch sound. Okay, and chut. Let's go to number 7. Buvkam. Buvkam. Practice. Buvkam. Buvkam. Uh-oh. Okay, number 8, gigik. Gigik. That is 8. Let's practice that one. Gigik. Gigik. 8. Uh-oh. Now we're moving to number 9. Much come. Okay, let's practice it. Much come. Uh-oh. Okay, let's do the last one, number 10. Vustamam. 10. Practice with me. Vustamam. Uh-oh. 10. So these are the numbers, right? We can go, let's go through those one more time, but we're just going to go down the row together. So listen and say it with me. Humako, go, like, gig, putas, chut, uvkam, gigik, humachkam, ustamam. Okay, there you have it. Those are numbers. All right. So those are all our numbers, and all these words that we're learning are going to be part of the scavenger hunt. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to give you the directions for the scavenger hunt now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick out 10 of the scavenger words. You'll get a list in Class Dojo, or if you're in ECEC or ALA, I believe through the Microsoft Teams, you'll get a list of the words that we just did, and you're going to pick out 10, from any one of those categories: colors, nature, household items, numbers, whatever you choose, whatever you want to choose, you can pick out 10 and take a picture. Okay, you can take a picture and put them all on one. Okay, I don't know if you heard me before. Maybe I spoke too soon about the directions. I'll repeat them real quick again. We're going, the directions for the scavenger hunt. You're going to take a picture. Well, first of all, you get your list, and you'll get your list in Class Dojo or either in Microsoft Teams, whatever your school is providing the list in either Microsoft Teams or Class Dojo. And when you get that list, and you get to choose from any one of the categories: colors, natures, household items, or numbers, and you're going to pick out 10. You're going to pick out 10 words, and you're going to take a picture of them. You can put them in one big picture, 10 items that you found from your scavenger hunt, or you can do them individually, 10 things that you found. Whatever is easier, what's easiest for you, you can do that. I recommend you do whatever, works for you. And then you're going to send them to, before you send them, make sure, well, when you do send them, you're going to email them to Miss Hillary Richards, and send them to her email, and we'll have the email on the scavenger hunt list of words. So you'll send it to Hillary Richards, and when you do send your pictures, make sure that you have your chugit, your name, and your school, your grade. What grade are you in? Yeah, that's important. Your chugit, your school, your grade. And you can put your homeroom teacher. If you have a homeroom teacher, you can put them on that when you send your pictures. So we'll know who it belongs to, because we're going to pick the winners, and the winners will get prizes for each grade level. The first top 3 for each grade level, for each school. Okay? And the deadline will be Friday, March 19th. Okay? And the winners will be announced on Class Dojo or either the Microsoft Team, whatever your school is using. And then we will also give you directions where to pick up your prize if you are a winner. Okay, so I believe we went through all our words. And if you have any questions, type them in the chat. And I thank you for joining us and participating. Hopefully you learned some new Autumn Yacht, some new Autumn language, and maybe you knew some of it already, and that's wonderful if you do. I'm happy to hear that if you know all of it, you know. So the scavenger hunt will be really fun. Like I said, it's not the norm scavenger hunt where you go and collect the items and you send and then you send them to wherever they need to go. This is our virtual scavenger hunt, and it's all, you know, with pictures. Okay, so again, any questions, put them in the chat.
Yes, Teresa, there's no questions in the chat. So
okay. Okay, so thank you again for participating, for joining us, and good luck in your search and getting your pictures in, and hopefully you'll be one of the winners. Okay, and that's all I have for you. So,